Hey everyone, my name is Caroline. I go to Stockton University. This is actually my last year. I'm a senior and I'm in the elementary education program, and I also study in disability studies and childhood studies. So what we are going to do today is we're going to be making some pop-up cards, and here's our craft kit. So let's get started. So this project is in partnership with the Noyes Museum of Art, the Arc of Atlantic County, and Stockton University Center for Community Engagement and Service Learning. So today's projects, our supplies are our white sheet of paper, a glue stick, and many fun strips of colors, and one yellow circle. So since we have everything laid out, we're gonna get started. And what you wanna do first thing is just fold your white sheet of paper down so it makes a card. And then it'd be easier if you put your card this way so you have the whole length of the paper to make your nice big flower. So what we're gonna start out with is we're going to grab our green little strip. It's going to be the shortest strip in the pile. And we are going to glue it to our white card from the bottom center of the page right down the middle. Our next step is at the top of the green stem. We're going to add a dot of blue. So what we are going to do now is working counterclockwise. We are going to repeat steps 5 through 6, and I'm going to start with step 5 right now. So you're going to pick any of the colors in our pile. You could have a pattern, you could start with whatever color you like most, and then we're gonna glue to the top of the stem. And now we're gonna re-glue the end of the center and just repeat those steps until we create kind of a pinwheel fanning all the way out. So I'm just gluing the top of the stem and the flower each time. So I'm kind of creating a pattern, but obviously you guys could pick whatever colors you want in whatever order you wish to do. But each petal is going to be continued to fan out. We are now on step 8, and what we are going to do is almost similar to our last steps. We're going to glue the center, and we're going to take the top of our strips and bend it over to make a loop, and we're just going to glue it down. And each strip that we bring down starts to create a petal effect that looks similar to a pinwheel. So once you're done gluing all of your petals, you want to press down in the center to make sure that they all stay flat. Cool. And here's our flower. So the next step is that we are going to add one last little dollop of glue in the center. And then we're going to add the middle of the flower, which is this yellow circle. So now the project is all done. So give it to a loved one or keep it for yourself. I had so much fun crafting with all of you. I hope you had a great time, and thank you so much for watching.